What up, what up? What's going on, everyone? Welcome. eBay break number 265. Thank you guys for joining. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for rocking with royalty. If you guys are new to the group, welcome. We always post breaks straight to the page. If you guys are interested, all major sports, we usually always have a breakup on the page. Basketball, football, soccer. Try to just keep up with whatever's hot. You already know what's up. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to get the break going. eBay break number 265. Whoever's not here can catch it on our page or on YouTube later on tonight, all right? Here we go. 2 Prizm retail boxes. Stuff's fairly new. 1 auto and 12 Prizms per box on average. 4 cards per pack. 24 packs per box. We're looking for exclusive pink poster Prizms and the iconic silver Prizms, all right? Let's get it. We'll work right out of the box. Here you go, guys. Good luck. First pack. Nikola Vucevic. Bam Adebayo. We got a silver KD dominance. There we go for the Nets. And a Daniel Laturu rookie base. Let's leave up the KD dominance. That's a nice card right there. Got 21 energy. You know the vibes, Andrew. Let's go. Savage Mode 2, baby. Put KD on the board for now until we post something a little fresher. Bang. LeBron James, Kobe tribute dunk. Just a base, but we'll take it. Let's go. It's a clean card. Let's leave that one up for you. Austin Rivers. Kobe White, sophomore stars. Kobe White, sophomore stars. And a Wendell Carter Jr. Let's leave up that Braun real quick. Going to the Lake Show with the Braun. Donovan Mitchell, Spider. Dwayne Wade. John Collins, silver, going to the Hawks. John Collins, silver, going to the Hawks. We'll leave that up. CJ McCollum, base. Let's leave up that silver John Collins. He was in the playoffs doing work. And that's a silver. Next pack, let's go. Caruso, Alex Caruso. Kyrie. Silver Eric Paschal going to the Warriors. And an Obi Toppin rookie base for the Knicks. Let's leave that one up. Cody Zeller, Ivica Zubac, Kemba Dominance, Avery Bradley, DeAnthony Melton, Carmelo Anthony, Green Hassan Whiteside for the Blazers. Precious Achiuwa base. Alfred Payton. Bang, baby. No way. Let's go. This autograph is guaranteed by Panini. Let's go. Kenyon Martin Jr. for the Rockets. Let's go. Bang, bang, bang. Kmart Jr. auto. Penmanship. That is sick. We'll sleeve that up. We got a Malachi Flynn emergent behind that and a Nico Mannion rookie base. Sleeve up that auto real quick. I like Kmart Jr., man. I kick him ball. Had some good games this year as a rook. Seen him on Sports Center pretty often. Flying high. TJ Warren, DeJounte Murray, green Terry Rozier for the Hornets, Tyler Hero. Dwight Powell, James Harden, Kira Lewis Jr. emergent, going to the Pelicans, going to the Pallies. Devin Vassell rookie base for the Spurs. Dwayne Bacon, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Hopefully he's not hurt too bad. Patrick Williams, instant impact for the Bulls. Let's get it. Let's leave that up. And a Cassius Winston for the Wiz. Jeremy Lamb, Pascal Siakam, Red Wave Killian Hayes, baby. Bang. There we go, Pistons. Red Wave Killian Hayes going to the Pistons. No number. Little OC off-centered, but we'll take it. Let's leave that one up. All right. Ersan Ilyasova, Bucks. Cam Reddish, Hawks. Tim Hardaway Jr., Red Wave, going to the Dallas Mavericks. And a Caleb Martin trolling the Hornets. Marcus Smart, Juan Hernan Gomez, Silver Kevin Huerter, my bad, for the Hawks, Harry Giles. Let's leave up Kevin Huerter silver, why not? John Wall, Mitchell Robinson, Danny Green silver for the Lake Show, and OG Anunoby. PG-13, Paul George, Troy Brown, silver Rodney Hood. Oh, misprint action, Zach LaVine. Derek Jones Jr., Torian Prince. Silver Saban Lee going to the Pistons. Silver saving lead for the Pistons. We'll take that. We'll sleeve that up. Denny Advisha, Ricky Base. Let's go. Swiper, De'Aaron Fox, Nerlens Noel, Precious Achiuwa, Instant Impact, Beastbrook. Eric Pashaw, Lou Will, Joel Embiid, Dominance, and a Trey Jones rookie base. One of the Spurs. Dylan Brooks, Dennis Rodman, Dwayne Wade, Marcus Gasol. I'm going to take these out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 packs left, empty box. Eric Gordon, Duncan Robinson, Red Wave, Ben Simmons going to Philly, and a Drummond. Just leave up that Red Wave Simmons real quick. Doug McDermott, Ben Simmons, Kendrick Nunn, Red Wave for the Heat, Kenyon Martin Jr., rookie base. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Jamal Murray, Zion, Dominance, and Aleksej Pokusevski. There we go, OKC. We'll sleeve that one up. Sleeve up Zion as well. George Hill, Cat, Karl Anthony Towns, Sadiq Bey, Instant Impact for the Pistons. Pistons are eating. Shaq. John Collins, AD. Last pack for this first Prizm retail box. Danny Advisha, Emergent rookie, and a Rui. We'll sleeve up Advisha real quick. All right, not the best box, not the worst. Hopefully the next one's better. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on, let's heat up, box. We need a fire box here. I want a fire box. I want to see a banger. I still didn't see no pink. I didn't see no pink pulsar in there. There we go. Second box, first pack. Let's go. Heat up. Sekou Demboya. Ja. Malachi Flynn Emergent. Langston Galloway. Malik Monk. Mo Bamba. Silver Isaiah Stewart Emergent going out to the Pistons. Let's go. Pistons getting all the heat. We'll leave that one up. Jonathan Isaac. Big Stu, they're calling him. Getting all the Pistons heat. Next pack, let's go. Bojan Bogdanovic. Dennis Schroeder. D'Anthony Melton Silver. Kelly Oubre Jr. Gary Harris. Marvin Bagley III. Silver Cody Zeller trolling the Hornets. Come on. Tyler Bay. Rookie base for the Mavs. Devontae Graham. Tony Snell. John Morant dominance. Let's go. And a Kawhi claw. Next pack, let's go. Brook Lopez. Trolling for the Hornets. We got an auto, though. Rookie auto for the Hornets. Wrong guy, though. Nick Richards. Nick Richards. You always want the LaMelo, of course, but got a rookie auto for the Hornets. Let's leave that up. Zeke Nnaji Emergent. And a Zeke Nnaji base. Let's leave up that auto for you real quick. I'm not even going to put it up there. I know Hornets don't want to see that right now. Michael Porter Jr. Zion base. Green Landry Shamet. And Alonzo. Tim Duncan. Maxi Kleber. Green Dame Dollar. Dame time. Udoka Azubuike for the Jazz. Just leave up Dame real quick. Paul Millsap. Jeremy Grant. James Wiseman instant impact for the Warriors. Let's go. Let's leave that one up. And a Robert Woodard II for the Kings. Let's leave up Wiseman. Here we go, here we go. Klay Thompson. Jarrett Allen. AD. Colin Young Bull Sexton. Jeff Green. Chris Dunn. Red Wave, Udoka Azubuike going to Utah. I'll sleeve that one up. Let's go. Jarrett Culver. Joe Harris. Malik Beasley. Red KPJ, Red Wave. And Aaron Naismith, rookie base. Kobe White. Forcan Korkmaz. Silver Prizm 8. Al Horford. Bruce Brown. Cam Johnson. Kyle Lowry. Seth Curry Silver. Darius Garland base. Danilo Gallinari. JJ Redick. For the Pelicans, we got a silver. Kira Lewis Jr. rookie base. There we go. We'll take that. Pretty decent centering on that, too. Let's go. Let's leave that up. Emmanuel Quickly, rookie behind that. Let's leave up Quickly and Kira Lewis. Rudy Gay. TJ Augustine. Fred Van Vliet, silver. And the CJ Ellaby, rookie card. AI, Allen Iverson. Joel Embiid, Philly. Isaiah Stewart, instant impact for the Pistons. Big Stu again, the base that time. Blake Griffin. Tatum. Giannis dominance. Miles Turner base. Jeff Teague. Mike Conley. Jalen Smith emergent for the Suns. Enes Kanter. Take these packs out. That way they don't fling open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Empty box. Victor Oladipo, Norman Powell, Kawhi Leonard red wave. There we go. That's nice for the Clippers. Let's leave that up. And a Killian Hayes rookie base for Detroit. Second, let me open up some more top loaders real quick. right, next pack. Matthew Dellavedova, Joker. Carmelo Anthony, red wave. Nice color match for the Blazers. Cole Anthony. Carmelo Anthony, and then Cole Anthony. Let's leave a Cole Anthony and Carmelo for you real quick. Contavious Caldwell Pope, KCP. Marcus Morris for the Clippers. Denny Advija, instant impact for the Wiz. Kendrick Nunn. Leave up Advija real quick. Montrezl Harrell, Otto Porter Jr., Paul George dominance, Vernon Carey Jr. trolling the Hornets again. Last pack, y'all. Good luck. Last pack Magic. Come on, baby. Let's get one on the way out. Jackson Hayes, Lonnie Walker, Ja, sophomore stars, and a Desmond Bain rookie base. All right, y'all. Not the best break, not the worst. We'll run a quick recap real quick. Thank you guys for joining. We really appreciate it. If you guys want more basketball action, we got one on the page right now. We always have football and basketball. If you guys are new, we're starting to throw out some other sports like soccer and baseball. All right. Quick recap. Denny Advija, instant impact. Carmelo Anthony, red wave. Cole Anthony, base. Red wave, Kawhi. Kira Lewis Jr., silver. Emmanuel Quickley, base. Kevin Porter Jr., red wave. Red wave, Udoka Azubuike. James Wiseman, instant impact. Damian Lillard, green. Penmanship, Nick Richards for the Hornets. Emergent, Denny Advija. Sadiq Bey, instant impact. Pistons, Zion, dominance. Poku, OKC. Ben Simmons, red wave. Saban Lee, silver for the Pistons. Denny Advija. Kevin Porter, silver. Obi Toppin, base. John Collins, silver. LeBron Kobe tribute dunk. Base. Instant impact Pat Will, base. KD, silver dominance. Killian Hayes, red wave. Silver Isaiah Stewart. Kenyon Martin, penmanship auto. All right, y'all, that concludes the break. Really appreciate you guys all jumping in. We got plenty of breaks on the way, on the page. More coming soon. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Invite some friends to our group. We'll see you guys back soon. Peace.